I'm John Laspina. I am the Carnivore teacher, and I want to share with you something that I learned. Veterinarians are called to go to farms to take care of the animals when they're sick, as you know. And guess which animals they're going to take care of the most on that farm? It's the ones that are eating a lot of corn and rice and barley and wheat. The ones that are being fed the grain are the ones that are getting sicker. The cows that are eating their species-specific food, which is grass, are not getting sick. Now, what does that tell you about those animals? Those animals have a species-specific food, and if they go out of that food and eat other foods that are not meant for their body, they get sick. They get diseases. We humans are the same way. We have species-specific food that are meant for our human body, and that's animal products. When we go out of that range and we eat plants, vegetables, we eat foods that are chemicals to look like food, like processed food and fast food, we're going out of the realm of what we're supposed to eat, and human beings start getting sick. Human beings start needing doctors more. And it gets complicated and they don't know why, but really it has to do with diet. It really does. So many problems that people experience go back to their way of eating. If they would just examine their way of eating and eliminate the inflammatory foods, which are grains, which are seed oils like canola, soybean, peanut oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, margarine, Crisco. These cause inappropriate inflammation, and that is the precursor to a lot of diseases. You know, we can learn from the farmers and the veterinarians by observing when they're on call. Who are they tending to the most? It's the same thing for humans. We go to doctors and need their assistance the most when we're not eating properly. And we see them less frequently or not at all when we eat foods that are meant for our human body. Take that little nugget and think about it. And I hope that you feel well because you're eating right. Have a great day.